teeth?
So this creator, Jools Lebron, is currently crashing out after the GoFundMe controversy. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'm going to give you a recap, or you can go watch my friend House Drama. If you don't know who this creator is, this creator went very viral after making a video about how to be demure. Recently, she made a video and a GoFundMe asking her followers for help to get dental work done.
I'm going to eventually have to take out all my teeth, and I've already spent $6,000 on this. So I don't know what else to do. I don't want to ask my community for help, but I feel like I have no other choice at this point. I would love to go get a regular job. Girl, don't get me wrong, but even then, I don't think that that's going to help my situation.
And many people were shocked by this, considering that she has millions of followers. Now, the GoFundMe has since been removed and the video deleted, but now she's having a very bad reaction to the criticism online.
I'm gonna probably fucking myself, because that's where the fuck I'm at. I just want to myself. I'm tired. I feel like I fought my ass off for this fucking position, and for what? For what? No one cares. No one cares. After this, my life is gonna be fucking ruined, girl. It's a wrap. After this, I'm never gonna get a fucking brand deal again. I'm never gonna be able to do shit again on the internet. I'm gonna be known as very demure, who cannot fucking afford her life and has to come to the internet and beg for fucking money. That's what I'm gonna be known for the rest of my life. While my family sits here and makes me pay $3,000 a month I can't fucking afford!
So again, she's currently crashing out and having a really hard time with the backlash and criticism after starting that GoFundMe. A lot of people are saying, you know, she made thousands and thousands of dollars on brand deals and off of her content. Why can't she afford to get her teeth done? But it seems that most people were upset with the verbiage she used in her video, saying that like she can't go get a regular job when other people work regular jobs and would be using their money from their regular job to help out. But she made a follow-up video stating that that's not what she meant. What she meant was that she's had a regular job before, and with the regular job, she still couldn't afford the dental work then. There's also allegedly a dentist who had commented under her video asking for help that offered to help fix her teeth, but has allegedly recanted that offer. I'm not 100% sure about that one, but this whole situation has just taken an absolute turn for the worse. So let me know your thoughts.
I don't know pictures.
Okay, so I've seen this creator before, Jools. I remember when she first came out on TikTok with the whole like very demure, and then she blew up, right? And I remember her going on interviews saying like, yeah, you know, I'm making 50K a month, 85K a month. That was just like, I think a year ago or 2 years ago. So where did the money go? Where is it? So you're telling me she got zero, nothing, nada? That's just poor financial planning. Because she thought in her mind, like, yeah, you know, the money's going to keep on rolling. I'm going to keep on getting cash. But unfortunately, when reality hits, that's when you know, like, oh, shoot, I should have done this, I should have done that. And that's why I always tell people on this channel, like, make sure you save money. Whether you're making $1,000 a month or $85,000 a month, it doesn't make a difference, right? And it's sad that she's going through this, because when your teeth hurts, like it's very painful. I've had a toothache before, and it was just a lot. It was just a lot, but thank goodness I work a normal job, and my job, the benefits, dental benefits, was able to cover. And Jools is out here saying she doesn't want to work a normal job, but there's nothing wrong with working a normal job. A normal job gives you steady income. It's like, okay, I know I'm getting paid on the 1st of the month and on the 15th, okay? So you just have to like plan and manage. And I feel like it's disrespectful what she's doing, like asking her followers for money. So she really thought like, yeah, I'm gonna get 85K, and I honestly think she should go seek a therapist, get some help. And I was like looking and doing some research, and private dental insurance in the US isn't even that much. It's saying dental insurance in the United States typically costs between $20 and $50 per month for an individual plan, and $50 to $150 per month for a family. The overall average cost sits around 30 to 35 per month for a basic individual plan. And that plan might cost $1,000. I mean, that plan might cover $1,000 to $2,000 in dental work, but it's better than zero, right? Where she's at. Like, it's just poor financial planning on her end. She should have got a financial advisor. She should have invested in the stock market. She should have saved up. Because when people get this big money, they just go like berserk. They start buying unnecessary things, but anything can happen. And if you are an influencer, I still think you should have a normal job. There's nothing wrong with working 9 to 5. At the end of the day, money is money. Cash is cash. It doesn't matter where it comes from. Yeah, working a job is hard, but having no money is even worse, is even harder. So you get to pick your battle. Have zero money, be crying, or have some money and cry a little. You get to pick. You get to choose. Because people be thinking like, oh, these influencers, they got the cash, they got the money, but they don't know what to do, right? But let's check out this next video.
An influencer with 1 million followers just announced that she cannot pay her rent. 1 million followers. I need you to let that sink in, because this shatters everything that you thought that you know about social media and making money online. She's broke because she has no product to sell. She's broke because she has no offer. She's broke because she spent years building an audience, and not once she asked herself, why am I building this audience and what value am I bringing? Her content just entertains people. It doesn't solve anything. It doesn't help anyone with anything. It just entertains people. It just exists. And content that just exists will make you famous, but it will never make you rich. And that's literally why she's now asking people to give her a job. And I promise you, this is not a hard game. You just need to understand one thing. You don't want to be an influencer. An influencer just creates content. A business owner creates content that makes her money. And the difference between these two is so small that it's actually embarrassing that we don't know it. An influencer creates content to get followers. A business owner creates content to target a specific person who have a specific problem, to solve that specific problem that they have through their content. And that's it. That's the whole secret. That's the thing that everybody here is trying to overcomplicate. You find a problem that people have, you create something to solve it, and you find out exactly who that specific person is, and then you create content that will speak to that specific person every single day, and then you sell them the thing that fixes the problem. That's it. Because views turns into trust. Trust turns into buyers, and buyers turns into money, so you can actually pay your rent. So stop creating content to be seen. Start creating content to be useful. Because useful content builds a business, and a business pays you whether or not the algorithm likes you one day or not. And that's really how you make money on social media. It is that simple. So make sure you go the right route, so you don't end up like the girl with 1 million followers that cannot afford her rent.
Having 1 million followers and you can't pay your rent, that's very sad. Like this lady said in the video, you can't be an influencer and be posting random videos, be posting like this and that. You got to make it into a business model, something that's gonna sell. And then even if you do get 1 million followers, you can still work a job. Like there's nothing wrong, because anything can happen, right? The platform could close down. You could like completely like lose your account. There's people who they've had millions of followers to get hacked, or Instagram or YouTube or Facebook just decides like, yeah, we're gonna shut down your account, and then what do? So that's why it's very important to have a budget. Okay, don't go buy a Lambo. You don't need a Lambo. You don't need that. Like if you have a car, a reliable car, a nice little house, and you save the money for a rainy day, there's nothing wrong with that. Don't let anyone think or pressure you to think like having a job is wrong. Okay, having a job is a blessing in this economy. A job that gives you benefits, health benefits, dental benefits, mental health benefits. Like there's nothing wrong. It's a blessing. But like I do hope that Jools girl does get help with her teeth, because like I said, having teeth pain is very painful. But yeah, man, that's today's video. Let me know what you thought of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm gonna be posting every day. Thank you.